If you receive the truth early in life, you fail early in life. And here is the truth. There is no failure that doesn't come with a lesson. Immediately you feel there is this wisdom attached to feeling that you quickly realize where you did wrong, except you're a very poor learner. Now it's our ego of not wanting to accept the fact that we know nothing in life that causes failure in our old age. This is the reason why so many people are scared of trying things in life. We just don't want to be looked at like we are fools, and so we are hiding behind looking perfect to be poor in life. What a terrible feeling. Every young person needs to understand that accumulation of wisdom is the foundation of success, not luck. No one luckily got rich, and you can't change the processes of success. It has been like that for centuries. You must fail to understand winning. Don't be a wise fool because that's what you're trying to portray. You get me? Stay cheese.